Thank you so. I think no, I'll do that. Yeah, I'll get it like yeah. Thank you so much, Eyal, and thank you for all of you for joining us here today. Shalom, salam, peace. We really, when we started playing it, we didn't know how many people would show up, and it's amazing to see all of you here. So thank you for being here. Shukran, toda. My name is Shimrit Braun Kamin. I work for the New Israel Fund here in the Bay Area. I'm proud to be a part of New Israel Fund. I'm also a part of the Unacceptable Leadership Group, if you know me from previous rallies for Israeli democracy. And I can't tell you how much I'm excited to be a part of the special group who organized this vigil today. I haven't slept much in the past 3 months, as I'm sure many of you as well. It's been 3 months of hell. From discovering my close family members survived the Hamas attack, to realizing how many people I know lost or have their loved one kidnapped, to hearing from my Palestinian colleagues and friends about how many family members they lost in Gaza. And I haven't even talked about all the refugees on both sides and the destruction and what happens on the West Bank now. It's a collective trauma that spans generations. Yet, today, I want to bring all of you a message of hope. At the New Israel Fund, I've witnessed dedicated activists swiftly adapting to address the crisis with shared values of peace and humanity. This vigil draws inspirations from organizations like Standing Together, uniting Jewish and Palestinian Israelis, and from many other civil society and peace organizations that are saying the day after is today. And they are working tirelessly for a better future in Israel and Palestine. And we are standing here today, and we want to let them know that they are not alone. I'm also so lucky to be surrounded here by people who share these values. The group that organized this vigil started earlier this summer as we created a space for those who believe in a true democracy with equal rights for all. We believe that our community has the power to make a real change. From similar vigils in New York and in Boston and soon in LA, together with Israelis and Palestinians, we are creating a movement that will be a collaboration of voices from here to put a pressure on the American administration and join for voices of Israelis and Palestinians that will put a pressure on the Israeli and Palestinian leaderships. A movement of people like us who believe in peace and equality and coexistence and working together to give this voice a space within the chaos we are all in right now. And we want to call, stop the war.
Stop the war.
Stop the war.
Bring all the hostages back home now.
Bring all the hostages home now.
Justice, equality, freedom, and peace for everyone in the region.
Justice, equality, freedom, and peace for everyone in the region.
Thank you. And I just want to take a moment and acknowledge that the voices that you all hear today are mainly Jews and Israelis. But we do really hope that next time we'll have your Palestinian speakers and organizers. So if you hear us and interested in joining, we are so looking forward to meeting you. Let us know. Thank you so much again for being here.